Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Impala. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, daytime running lamps, front-wheel drive, traction control, brake assist. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, keyless start, lane departure warning, cruise control, power outlet, console, floor mats. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.